my project is CreditShaft. CreditShaft is all about bringing your existing credit card's credit limit on chain and using it in DeFi to open leveraged positions. When I tried out DeFi, one of the things that I noticed was that there's a high barrier to entry. You need a lot of crypto to do anything meaningful that returns good value. And none of these protocols ever accepted any alternate sorts of collateral. So I thought our credit card's credit limit is just sitting there. Why not put it to good use? And this was a perfect combination to work with Chainlink. I'm mainly using Chainlink to capture the pre-authorization amounts of users' positions who have expired, release the hold on the cards, and also monitoring the position and closing them before they reach any state of liquidation. So I'm gonna put 5 link. So that means I'm borrowing. I'm able to I'm able to open a position with the value of 10 link, even though I just have 5 link. All right, the position is open. When this timer hits 0, the user's credit card will be charged via the Stripe API. So let's take a look at the code. Here, as you can see in the check upkeep function, the logic checks if a user's pre-auth time has actually passed. If it's passed, the user is added to this array. And it also checks for if a user's position is past its safe LTV. If it has, they're added to this array. And it's passed on to the perform upkeep function. The perform upkeep function calls 2 important functions. The first one is to charge the expired pre-auth user. And the second one is to close any unsafe position. In the charge expired pre-auth user, this is the important function that actually executes the JavaScript code on the Chainlink DOM and calls the Stripe API. And the close unsafe position simply closes the user's position if it's above 65% LTV instead of the user suffering from liquidation. Let's go and see it's still on hold. So what should happen is there's this $225 pre-auth that is created, and on my Stripe dashboard it's uncaptured. Once the Chainlink function executes, this will be captured. So let's see what's happening there. As you saw in the code, what will happen here is the Chainlink automation will check if the pre-auth expiry has reached, and if it has reached, the automation will trigger the Chainlink function, which actually calls the Stripe API. Check out what happened when the position was opened. All right, this is the position opening. So I started with 5 link, and I almost got 9.97 links applied into Aave as a 2x leverage. So what happened here is the CreditShaft leverage contract took a flash loan from the CreditShaft core contract, swapped the USDC to link, took the initial link and the swap link all to Aave, and then borrowed USDC and paid off the flash loan. All right, see, this is charged. So now if I go and refresh this, nice. I can see that the $225 was charged. All right, moving on. Now, I'm going to borrow more USDC to make this position unsafe. All right, the position is gone. So here what happened is when the Chainlink automation detected the user's position was below over safe LTV, it was passed on and the user's position was closed. And it took a flash loan, unwound the entire Aave position, returned all the assets to the user. And that's it. Thank you.